FTV and 4K HD, from Wildwood to Disney, vacation reviews or videos in between. Let's go FTV. This is MDW, guys. Right now, Memorial Day weekend, 2021, and look at this beach. Where did everybody go? I was able to get everybody awake. Mom's out of the bed, I'm out of bed, Kyle's out of bed. But this one stubborn boy here. Get up! It's Wildwood, we're in Wildwood. You need to wake up, we're in Wildwood. Wildwood! Trapping in these covers. You getting up? Can't do that. Got him up. What's that? You gotta get changed, mister. Get all your frustration out? MDW, MDW. Memorial Day weekend. Nothing can stop us, not even this rain. Check. Check, check, check. Let's go! Could have been the best eggs Benedict I've ever had. Rain let up a little bit, so now we're going to.
She didn't say Kyle.
I think we're going to go to the boardwalk. I don't know.
Well, she. What the heck?
So we stopped at the room. We actually went to Marshall's. I guess since nobody's on the beach, everybody in this area decided to go to Marshall's. It was nuts. But we picked up a bunch of stuff.
We can go all the way over here, as you can see.
I enjoy. So, we had Do Not Disturb on our door, but somebody must have took it off. And the maid came in. So now we have fresh, nice new beds. You coming, Kai?
Yes.
Yoink!
I know. It's my vlog. Wow, huh?
Yeah. Let's go. Stairs?
Yeah.
Let's take the stairs. What are you doing? You're like a backstage cameraman. Like a Murray that run after you. No, I'm not the dad. I'm not your father, man. Get out. Get the cameras off. Come. We're going on this boardwalk, though.
The water's like right there?
Yeah, it's...
Wait, how is the water right there? Look.
wind level 100. This is crazy. Reporting live from the Wildwood beach. It is windy and flooded. Oh, oh my God. That's sand hitting me in the face? I'm more the Jedi! Whoa, what's up? Your hands are shaking. This is absolutely insane. Mom is gone. Let's go. It's starting to rain, and it hurts. Don't fall. Was that crazy? Yeah, that was pretty crazy. That was awesome though. That was entertainment. So that's what you could do if it's rainy at the beach. Go experience a natural tornado. You getting that hoodie, Brad?
You want a shirt, but it's pretty soft.
I like these. Keep it salty. Let's get matching ones, his and hers.
Extra large or large?
Oh.
Not that big.
No, that's not. That's. They usually
Bigger one.
What, you don't like this hoodie?
I could.
Oh.
Ready, you need your princess shovel.
You ready now? Seagull's like, leave me alone. Seagull's like, you can't get me up here.
I'm gonna go catch mom.
Okay, me too. It's 100%. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Headed to a distillery. We were gonna go see Rich Baker play at... Where was he playing, Ma? Yeah, Schooner, right? Schooner Lobster House, but they canceled it because of... Yeah, that. Now we're just gonna head to the new distillery called
Naughty spirit.
Naughty Spirits.
Like nautical.
Huh?
Like nautical, not naughty.
Oh. Yeah, we're headed there, and then we're gonna pick the boys back up after and go get dinner at 2 Mile Landing? 2 Mile. Crab House, 2 Mile Landing. Well, let's go see what this distillery is like. Just got done. They've been here since 2017, and this is like the first time we heard about this place, and we decided to try it. We thought it was new, actually. Like, no, we've been here since 2017. They make their own potatoes that they use to ferment. Sweet potatoes to ferment, and it's very good. All of it is smooth. We actually had to pick a bottle up. That is so good. We wanted the whiskey, but the whiskey is very, very expensive. I don't know why, but we tried the whiskey drinks there. They're really good. It's a premium price, but you're paying for a premium drink. We didn't try the food. We plan on coming back one day.
Sit outside.
Yeah, that'd be nice. But this place is really, it's for a drink or two, live music, everything. It's nice. It's good. Good drinks. So now we're on our way back to the hotel. We're gonna pick the kids up and we're gonna go to 2 Mile Landing for dinner. Let's go. How's the game? You're right, Ma. They're in the same exact spots. They just got a new game. I think it's called Metopia? Metopia?
Yes, it just came out.
I'm right. Just came out, supposedly. They like it. Coastal flooding. Now I'm just starving. We're getting ready to eat. 2 Mile Landing.
Stay out on the lookout.
Hold my cold sore.
Did you say look at my cold sores? No.
Hold
My cold sores.
cold sore.
Hold up. What?
But it was nuts.
We're headed back to the hotel room. Food was meh. We didn't. It wasn't.
Sleep.
It did what it did, which was filled us. It wasn't phenomenal like the last time we had 2 Mile Landing. And then there was a problem in the restaurant that it's Memorial Day weekend. What do you expect? But the food wise, I don't know. I don't know if I come back or want to come back. Last time we were here was about 4 years ago, and I don't know. We want to be blown away. We're trying to get blown away like the last time we were in Cape May and had that Irish pub burger. Flashback, click right here. That was delicious. Tomorrow is a new day. Will it be rainy? Yes. We'll try something new.
Hi.
Bye.
I'm going to sleep. I'm tired.
Mom.
We got a long morning tomorrow.
Ma. Can you get my food for me, please?
Now he wants his food. We had a good night. And now it's late and we're going to sleep.